In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix copy to clipboard failed in AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to copy something in AutoCAD and seen the message that copying to the clipboard failed, it usually points to issues inside the drawing file itself. Corrupted elements or bloated, unused data can get in the way. The good news is that AutoCAD includes built-in tools to clean this up quickly. We're going to use two of them, Audit and Purge. I'll walk you through exactly what to type and why it helps, so you can get back to copying and pasting without that error popping up. First, look to the command line at the bottom of AutoCAD. Click there to make sure it's active. Type Audit and press Enter. AutoCAD will immediately ask whether you want to fix any errors detected. When you see that prompt, type Yes and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD not just to scan for issues, but to actually repair them on the spot. What's happening now is a full integrity check of your drawing database. AutoCAD is looking for broken or inconsistent objects, bad handles, and other small glitches that can block operations like copy and paste. Depending on file size and complexity, the audit might take a few seconds or a bit longer. When it finishes, you'll see a summary of what was found and fixed. Even if the report looks minor, those small fixes often clear the clipboard problem right away. After the audit completes, it's a good idea to tidy up any leftover clutter that might still cause hiccups. To do that, use the Purge command. In the command line, type Purge and press Enter. The Purge dialog lets you remove unused layers, blocks, line types, and other definitions that are just taking up space. Select the items you want to purge and confirm. This doesn't delete anything you're actively using, only unused definitions, so it's a safe way to slim the drawing and prevent odd behavior. If the option is available, you can purge nested items as well to be thorough. Once you've run Audit with repairs and cleaned the file with Purge, try your copy action again. In most cases, that combination resolves the copy to clipboard failed message because you've repaired corrupt objects and removed unnecessary baggage that can trip up the clipboard process. That's all you need for this fix. Run Audit, choose Yes to repair, and follow up with a Purge to declutter. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your drawings clean and your workflow smooth.